Hello everyone. In today's locomotive profile could be doing is one of the experimental locomotive that was on the New York Central. There's not much information about it, so no has no a built year when it was built it or completed, and when it was scrapped or retired. And what I'm talking about of an experimental locomotive, that is one of the New York Central's. And from what I could find about rail buses in America, the use of rail buses in the United States allowed railroads in the 1920s to run frequent and reliable passenger service on branch lines for a fraction of the cost of running steam locomotives, allowing some lines to directly compete with road transportation. The rail buses were well liked by passengers and able to stop and start more easily than dedicated trains. And what happened to the bus on New York Central? Unfortunately, it was retired from service, and given that it isn't around anymore, it was eventually scrapped, meaning it's extinct. I could not find the date where it was scrapped because there's hardly any information about this York Central's rail bus. And that's it for this video. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you later, guys.